This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 3, What to Listen For and Why. Listening is a crucial skill that fosters empathy and emotional connection, allowing us to truly understand others by focusing our attention and mental involvement. However, barriers like lack of intention and assumptions can hinder effective listening, which requires active strategies like empathetic listening, patience, and avoiding frequent interruptions. Cultivating a beginner's mindset, managing emotions, and emptying oneself of biases enhance perception and meaningful listening, enabling us to grasp the emotions, content, and inconsistencies expressed by others. Techniques such as listening for intent, categorizing speakers based on their attitudes, and assimilating information enrich our understanding, especially in group discussions where effective communication is paramount. Truly listening involves focused attention, overcoming assumptions, using active listening techniques, having a beginner's mindset, and classifying speakers' intent skills that foster empathy, emotional connection, and enriched interpersonal communication. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.